Origin, a manufacturer based in High Wycombe with a wonderful growth story from SME to the UK's leading specialist manufacturer of bespoke aluminium bifolding doors and windows.
We started off very small 20 years ago. We're actually 20 years old this year, with one product, which was the bifold door, which was quite a new product to the marketplace at the time, and really came about it from a customer service perspective. So we wanted to make sure we delivered on time, in full to our customers, and really did what we said we were going to do from the beginning, deliver a quality product in the time that they're expecting it. So it really grew from there, Origin. We took the one product and then added more and more, but kept that same philosophy and that same customer service offering, and that's really given us our growth. As well as all the innovation we do around the products, the processes, the people, the service offering. And all of that combined has got us to where we are now.
That vital on-time and in-full delivery commitment that Origin has to its customers is built into its processes.
It's logistically very difficult for them if we don't actually deliver when we say we're going to, whether it's early or late, it's got to be right. So a lot of our digitalization has been around getting that right. So if we look at projects, for example, like the whole ERP project, I think the last 5 years has just been all about integration. So literally when our customer says, yes, I'm happy to go on this order, nobody has to touch it after that, all the way down to transferring the data files to our CNC machines. It's all done digitally. So the chances of mistakes are reduced dramatically.
Origin was recognised for its first-class approach to product innovation and design, winning top spot for that category at the Manufacturer MX Awards in Liverpool.
It was a wonderful, wonderful accolade and a huge privilege to get that award. I'm fully aware of the hard work that's gone in around the whole business to get it, and I think getting that reward was such a huge boost for our team as well. It's all well and good me telling them how great they are and you know, other members of the senior leadership team, but I think when you're getting that award externally, it means such a lot. We never take for granted what we need to do to grow and to innovate, and getting these awards just shows us we're going in the right direction as well.
Once again, Origin demonstrates how excellence is achieved by building product design into its systems and ensuring that communication between departments and critically customers is constant.
Our design department is actually very tech savvy, so we started off with things like 3D printers, but we use technology a lot in the process of taking the design through to the manufacturing, out into the distribution, out to our customers. So the entire process is very digital. So the engineers are obviously very creative, very clever, but it's a closed loop. So they're getting feedback from our customers all the time about what it is that the market needs.
A friendly, innovative, interconnected, true to their word manufacturer that has kept that customer-first ethos at the heart of its 20-year journey and has seen real growth as a consequence of that vital and central belief.